Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up PNC Virtual Wallet to manage your money with smart banking tools, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Visit the PNC Bank website at www.pnc.com or download the PNC mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click Open an account and select Virtual Wallet from the list of available checking account options. Step 3. Choose your Virtual Wallet package: Virtual Wallet Basic, Virtual Wallet with Performance Spend, or Virtual Wallet with Performance Select, based on your banking needs and eligible benefits. Step 4. Complete the online application by providing your personal information, including your name, date of birth, social security number, address, and contact information. Step 5. Verify your identity by answering security questions or providing additional documentation if requested by PNC. Step 6. Fund your new account by making an initial deposit. You can transfer money from another bank account, deposit a check using mobile deposit, or set up direct deposit from your employer. Step 7. Once your account is approved and funded, you'll receive your Virtual Wallet login credentials. The Virtual Wallet includes 3 interconnected accounts: Spend, Checking, Reserve, Short-Term Savings, and Growth, Long-Term Savings. Step 8. Log into your account and explore the Virtual Wallet features, including the spending calendar that shows upcoming bills, the money bar that displays your available funds, and the Danger Days alert that warns you about potential low balances. Set up automatic transfers between your Spend, Reserve, and Growth accounts to help manage your money more effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.